Iced fruit smoothies taste great. Really, they taste great. They are packed full of vitamins, and by preparing the fruit in advance, it avoids any valuable homegrown or shop-bought fruit going to waste. The key step is freezing the fruit before making the smoothie. The frozen fruit avoids the need for any extra ice. To freeze, spread out the fruit on a tray and pop it in the freezer for an hour. When frozen, I create individual portions of fruit by weight and store in individual freezer bags. After bagging, I put them back in the freezer to store for later use. Hello, I'm Liam, and this is a short introduction to say this is a recipe from the Home Coffee Shop collection. You can see the full ingredients and all my other recipes on my website. See the link below the video. The recipes are ideal for anyone looking to find enjoyable ways to eat more nutritious food, whether for yourself or your family. In this smoothie I'm using the juice of 2 fresh apples, but to skip this step, substitute with fresh juice from a carton. The mini chopper does the rest. The juice is poured in first, and then the frozen fruit. After a few blasts, and a shake to check for any lumps, the smoothie is done. From freezer to glass in less than 5 minutes. A vitamin-packed treat ideal for children and adults. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. After subscribing, click the bell to ensure you are notified every time a new video is added.